I will make this pouch. It is a small pouch. I will make it from this leather using this pattern with these tools. Cutter for making signs, silver pen, grover, skiver, glue and a brush, scissors, needles, thread. I think this is all I need. Now this is uniform and good leather. This is a silver pen, easy to use. This is all the glue I need. To see how much leather you need, I place this line or my hands. These are the parts. One, two, three, four. I will use that grover, this grover. I want to skive this part with this skiver. So first I will make a mark. Now I will skive. It's not easy to skive on this position, but I'll try. I'm a left-hander. Okay, I skive that first part. Okay. This means that it will bend easier here and it will bend easier here towards the back. I'll clean the table without you. Now I have to dye the edges, the visible edges. These are visible edges. You can burnish them. I'm not good at burnish. My son is the one with that burnish. Now I need it to dry. The pattern, the leather is elastic, so you have to make adjustments. It's easier to make like this. Let's stitch this part. Cut, burn. Now this one is stitched. Like this and like this. I will use as always my magnetic pony stitch, and I will use this trick too. Here it is. I'll double the first step where I begin the stitching. Opa. And now with this needle, this is possible because I stitch on round holes, and I use the smallest needles I can put the thread in. I'm not used to James Jones needles. I use cheaper needles. My needles broke often, but I stitch easier with them, you see. My needles are bent. Okay. I will show you it's finished. Oh, this is Pavel. He makes a big hole with a 40mm round punch. I double the last two steps. I prefer to do this. Of course, cut and burn. Now we want to stitch this here, and first we will bend this. I skive it to bend it easy. It will be really easy. First bend it with your fingers. For me it is a routine. Then with a plier. This cheap Chinese plier has 20 years, I think. I saw it in a very old picture of mine. How good it looks. See? It stays alone on the surface. And now let's stitch it. I prepared the thread. Start here. I'll double first step. Let's use the magnet, it's easier. You see? I place this here. Two needles in the same time. Nothing fancy. Let's finish the edges. Or you can burnish the edges, no problem for me. And the last step, after the edge dye will dry, is to place the Sam Browne stud. So let's put the Sam Browne stud. It will be placed here. I have a little piece of plastic. I have two little pieces of plastic. If you don't have, you can use instead the wooden part of a hammer. I have this, I always use it. You can use this or super glue. Just a small amount of it. Place this here. Okay, the hole is here, but I need to make a small cut. Not a big one, a small one. Okay, close it. It looks like this.